the dark side of electronic waste, and how to prevent it. Welcome to a world where technology is constantly changing, advancing, and improving. Every day, a new phone, laptop, or gadget hits the market, tempting us with its shiny features. But have you ever stopped to consider what happens to our old electronics? Electronic waste, or e-waste, is a growing global issue. Millions of tons of e-waste are dumped every year, polluting our environment and harming our health. The discarded electronics are full of toxic substances like lead, mercury, and cadmium. These toxic substances can leak into the ground, contaminating soil and water. This not only harms the environment but also presents serious health risks. In addition to the environmental and health hazards, e-waste often contains valuable materials. Precious metals like gold, silver, and copper are frequently found in discarded electronics. Unfortunately, much of this precious metal goes to waste, dumped in landfills rather than being recovered and reused. This is not only a loss of valuable resources but also contributes to mining-related environmental damage. So, what can we do to mitigate the dark side of e-waste? It starts with understanding and awareness. We need to realize that our electronic gadgets are not disposable. They have a lifespan, and when they're no longer useful to us, they must be disposed of responsibly. One solution is recycling. Many of our discarded electronics can be broken down and their components reused, reducing the need for new materials. However, recycling is just one part of the solution. We also need to think about how we consume electronics. Consider whether you really need that new phone or if your current one suits your needs. Remember, every new device we buy contributes to e-waste. In addition to being more thoughtful consumers, we can also advocate for better e-waste management. This could involve supporting regulations that require manufacturers to take responsibility for the life cycle of their products. We can also support businesses that prioritize sustainability. By choosing to buy from companies that minimize waste and prioritize recycling, we encourage better business practices. Lastly, consider donating your old electronics. There are many organizations that refurbish and redistribute old devices to people in need. Remember, the fight against e-waste is a collective effort. It's not just about what one person can do but what we all can do together. In conclusion, the dark side of electronic waste is a serious issue. But it's not an insurmountable one. Through awareness, responsible consumption and disposal, and support for sustainable practices, we can make a difference. So next time you're tempted by that shiny new gadget, take a moment to think about the impact of your purchase. Our choices matter. Let's make choices that protect our planet and our health. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we can prevent the dark side of e-waste.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.